Men have always known how to produce alcoholic drinks from the fruits and vegetables of the earth. The prophets in the Bible and the Holy Prophet Muhammad all denounced the sin of drunkenness. In other words, we can say that it dulls a person's senses. A person is not in full possession of his mental faculties when he drinks, and he is more prone to take rash and imprudent decisions. The drunkard is noisy. His health gradually deteriorates when he takes the habit of drinking to the habit of drinking. Drinking detriments a person's nervous senses, stomach, and liver. The lining of the stomach gets affected, and at the same time, it is disastrous for the liver and kidneys. A man who drinks is ready to sacrifice and spend all of his money on this vicious habit and loses a chance to cherish some beautiful moments by spending it on family and friends. A gambler is no different than a drinker. He quenches his thirst with this cheap excitement. It's an addiction that squeezes the life out of one. Either it's casinos or small sordid places where this morally corrupt habit is rampant and rife. Gambling and drinking should be banned on macro as well as micro levels. It's highly ironic that we cannot hope that a strict imposition would be practiced by the government officials and law enforcement, because most people are themselves revolving in this vicious cycle. A revolutionary step is required to wipe away this wicked trend from our society, where it has seeped into the posh social circles of politicians, showbiz, and bureaucrats, as well as the poor strata of the society.